Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a slow draining shower drain. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to fix it fast in this easy tutorial. So let's get right into this easy tutorial, show you how to fix it fast with regards to a slow draining shower drain. Let's get into this. I'm going to be going over 4 steps. Now before you comment, okay, this is not my shower drain. I am here in my laundry room. This is my laundry room drain. My shower right now, honestly, there's 3 showers in the house. They're all quite dirty. There's different stuff on the floor, shampoo bottles, soap, blah, blah, blah. And I didn't want to clean them right now. I'm going to clean them later, don't worry, but I just wanted to get this video done because I'm on a filming roll. This is, I think, my 15th video in a row that I'm filming, and I'm not going to stop to clean right now. So let's get into this. The 4 things that you can do to fix a slow draining shower drain. Number 1 is to see if you can pull up any hair or debris from the shower drain. Now, you can actually look in the shower drain. It's going to probably be smaller than this, most likely, but maybe not. It might be bigger than this or this size. But you can look in the shower drain and you can see if you can pull up any hair or debris. You can use, anything really that you can stick in there. You might be able to use something like a paper clip to pull it out, or you might have a special tool, or you might be able to remove the shower drain completely. And I'm not going to pull this off because there might be a centipede in here, to be honest with you. Sometimes when I move this, a centipede comes flying out, or not a mouse, I was going to say a mouse, a spider or centipede come flying out. I'll pull it off, sure, why not? Okay. Woo, look at that spider web. Oh my, wow, look at that. Okay, no problem. I'm going to put this back on. Okay? There you go. Woo! All spider webs on my hand. All right, I'm usually not grossed out, but this is it's like a whole webbing over there. I got to clean this when I clean the showers. Anyways, so see if you can pull up any debris or any hair. In my upstairs ensuite shower, I have a linear drain, and you can pull off the linear drain, and there's like a little catch bin that essentially all the hair gets caught in there. So you can just, some shower drains have like a little thing, like a little bin or bucket that you can remove and clean that out. So try and remove whatever it is that's causing it to be clogged and drain slowly. That's step number 1. That's going to be the most effective thing you can do. Okay? If that doesn't help you out, if you can't access it, like if your drain is sort of stuck down there and you can't access it, and you can see that there might be something stuck there, even if you can't see it, if you cannot access the inside of the drain in any way, okay, then step number 2 is to use a plunger. So you can actually get a plunger that fits over. Make sure you get a plunger that's big enough that fits over the entire drain, okay? And there's ways to do it if your plunger is too small, but you can look those up separately. Like you can cover parts of the drain, but try and get a plunger that fits over the drain and plunge it a few times. And believe it or not, that actually helps massively, because sometimes there's just stuff caught in the P-trap at the bottom of the drain. There's like a little sort of like U-shaped trap. They call it a P-trap because when you look at it sideways, it looks like a P shape, like the letter P, but it's like a U-shaped pipe, and basically you plunge it, and that might free up the debris that's caught in there if that's what's causing it. If that doesn't help you out, you're going to move on to step number 3, which is to get a pot of boiling water and pour that pot of boiling water down the drain. Now I'll tell you why. Boiling water is basically the cleanest, safest thing that you can put in your drains, and it does a great job at removing any clogs, loosening up anything. Like if it's a shower drain, it might be hair and shampoo or soap that's sort of clogged together. That boiling water will melt down the clogged soap, at least a little bit of it, and it will sort of hopefully free everything up, okay? So pour a pot of boiling water down the shower drain, give it a few minutes, and then, rinse it down after maybe 5 minutes or so, rinse it down with cold water, okay? Try that out. You could look up that method for yourself, see if that suits because different drains have different pipes, so you want to make sure it works for your drain pipes specifically, okay? And last but not least, if that doesn't help you, I'll move on to fix number 4, which is to use like a specialized solution. There are there's different like drain cleaning solutions that you can pour in there, but you got to do your own research because you want to make sure that they're safe, that they're effective, that they're safe for your pipes, what the steps are in the processes for cleaning it up after, blah, blah, blah. But you can use like a specific drain cleaner solution to hopefully free up that clog. And that's how to fix a slow draining shower drain, how to fix it fast, an easy tutorial. If you like this video tutorial and you want to get your shower draining fast once again, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.